it was time to repair the bubbling and missing veneer. A perfect tool to get in there to fix veneer, loose veneer, bubbling veneer, is this painter's utility tool. These are putty knives and are made for painters as they scrape paint off rollers. They can remove nails, they can gouge a piece, they can cut sandpaper, they open cans, they remove veneer, and more. These are like multi-tools that you can use for a variety of things. They are inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon, I don't know, probably anywhere between $5 and $7, but I actually get mine from the dollar store. So if you have a local dollar store, keep your eyes peeled for these because they are a fabulous tool to have in your workshop. You can see I'm using the sharp corner just to pry up this loose veneer, and then I'm using the blade portion to scrape it off.